Hi, I'm the Urban Cook. Just going to make this small intro for you. My name's Steve. I live in the UK. I've been doing, well, how I got into this doing videos. Basically, I used to fly drones, which I still do, and I have another channel all about drones and gadgets and stuff. And I thought, well, let me try doing a video and see how it comes out on, doing cooking. So that's how I started doing the cooking. And basically, I just look at recipes and I take out the bits that I don't like and put in the stuff that I do like, to my taste. And I don't follow any measurements, so that's why you see me putting handfuls of this in, bits and pieces like that. And it's all about, I cook by eye and obviously taste. So you don't see me put a lot of salt in, because a lot of stuff's got salt in it anyway. So yeah, that's me. So we'll see you on the next one. Keep watching. I've got some good stuff coming, and take it easy. Thumbs up, and thank you to all of the new subscribers, and have a nice one. Cheers guys, see you later.